Hello guys, it's GSA Albert. Wanted to set y'all up. I'm over here working on this piece, trying to replace it. I already took parts of it off, but I wanted to show on how it was breaking. We got a lot of view. So I'm taking this apart and these pieces are just falling out. That's probably why it wasn't working. There's a new one. Matches up pretty good. Oh man. I think it's pretty old. The internal's broke. Let's see. Go connect this one on there. Gotta be very gentle because this is a 64, so you can't rush it. You can't just slap stuff on there. Gotta really take care of it. Alright, so there's a little piece that lines up to this on the column. You gotta insert that because this moves back and forth. So you gotta make sure you have it lined up on that piece. And from there you could go ahead and tighten the bolts. There's 2 bolts that hold it down. So I installed it. As you see, I installed it. That's the new part right there. There's the old piece, so all the internals broke out. Look at all this stuff right here. If you're watching this, you're getting a full frontal view of first person of this Impala. So back in the Cheech and Chong movie, there's a movie, or there's a vehicle that it was in, I believe, the 1964. All right, I went ahead and installed it. I'm gonna crank it up. Oh, it worked. Probably gonna head off it here in a little bit, but it's working now. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. See y'all later, all right?